Hello guys, this is your boy MJ and I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I was able to permanently fix some issues I was having with my toilet bowl, where when you sit on the bowl it'll be moving around like so, thereby creating some issues with the flange and the bolts and the wax ring on the bottom of the toilet. So it was becoming a nuisance, so I said I got to find a way to try and fix this problem. So I came up with this easy solution here. So in order to fix, or if you're having the same issue as I was having, you will need to have some material like this. You can get it at any hardware store, big box store. You'll need a piece of wood like so to rest the toilet on. You're going to need new wax ring, one like so, another one like this. You'll need two of them. Marker, and there's a razor around here somewhere. Razor and a pencil. Okay guys, so this is what I did to solve the issue which I was having in both of my bathrooms. The bathroom downstairs, I did this about 2 years ago. So I said I was going to do a video so you guys can see what I did to solve the issues. So you put the piece of wood on the ground like so. I have to move the camera back so I can move the toilet over there. So that's nice, you can see that. You take the material, this is the smooth side, you put it down, piece of board like so. Then you're going to take the toilet bowl and you're going to move it over and lay it on that. Just like that. The center of the wood. Let's see if you can see that on the video. Okay. I can move this back a little bit. Okay. So then you're going to take your marker and you're going to mark where the bolts from the flange comes through the toilet bowl. Once you have done that, you're going to take your razor and you're going to cut out the shape of the toilet bowl like this. So guys, make sure you cut it up. Take your time. You're going to be cutting that design of the toilet bowl into the material. And when you're finished, you're going to make a slot in the material so you can take it off from around the bowl like so. Now you goes around and you tidies it up. Looks pretty good here. So then you can rock it, put some weight on it because you need to see the little indent. There's a little circle that's going to appear on the material from the bottom of the toilet bowl. That's where the wax wax ring goes into the flange, and the toilet bowl goes into the wax ring. So we have done that. I'm going to take the toilet. If you look here, you can see, if you can see the design in there. So that's where you have to make a hole. So you take your pencil like so, and you're going to mark, make a hole there. You make a hole there, and then you're going to take your knife and kind of ream it out a bit, so you can have a little play when you put the bolt in there. Alright guys, so then you take your marker, you have an idea where this is where the bowl goes into the plastering. So what you can do, you can just make a circle around there. Make a pretty big circle. Like so. Make a pretty big circle like so. Let's see if I can. I have a little piece of thing here, make it iron this out a little better. Alright. So there you goes. We're going to cut this out here now. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, as long as it's big enough for the plastering, the wax ring, to fit down in there. The wax ring, guys, it's the wax ring, not a plaster ring. The wax ring to fit down in there. Alright guys, so I find this material is very strong, durable. Okay guys, so as you can see, that's done there. So now we're going to put this in place over the flange over there. Got to move the toilet out of the way first. Alright, I gotta move the toilet out of the way. Here you can see the flange, perfect. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So now we're going to put the bolts for the flange in place. Then we're going to put the flange. All right. Now, so we're going to put the plaster rings in place. Sorry, wax rings, boys. Wax rings. I got some plaster rings for some reason. Both wax rings in place. This way you'll have a really solid seal between the bowl and the wax ring. And here we go. So we're going to put this in place now. Okay. So that's in place. It's not even screwed in place yet. But that ain't moving. That ain't moving. Because of the rubber to tile ratio there. So we're gonna screw the bowl in place. Guys, this works excellent. No matter how big or small you are, when you sit on this toilet, it's not going to be moving. It can't move. I can tell you that from experience. It is not going to be moving anymore. Hence, that's why I can tell you, if you're having a similar issue, if your toilet moving around, bolts bending or coming out of place on the toilet, out of the flange, making up this little Malcolm John special at the bottom of the toilet bowl is going to permanently, 100% permanently solve that issue or a similar issue. This ain't going rubber on tile is, after the time it is going to suction its way right here in place. This bowl is going to be suctioned to the rubber, and the rubber is going to adhere to the tile. So there's got all movement is going to be 100% eliminated. Okay, guys? As you can see, the only movement you're going to have is right here. Okay? So guys, please like, share, and subscribe this video. So you'll know when I'll be having new content up. That is lovely, sure. All right. And how guys, thank you for watching my video. Please share again, like and subscribe. And this is MJ, over and out.